Okwa America. Ya wasante for hene.
Entina minimu da se ho betime fini krom abeche to the kingdom e wo wasase so. Owia na obeye wo ekurowura no, obeye wo chief. Na minimu da, but at this moment, ever video rap that tell say Igbo king go Ghana is now no. Or very big kingdom. E wo Ghana as Swiss no. And bro update on that no. This Igbo chief Yabusia say Captain Kwaku Smart any Empress Gifty was share some Kofina as sub chiefs under him. In this video no, you will know Kwaku Manu so abekan same we afa Igbo king ho. Am Kwaku Manu say what can there? Made them ensiri mitrim. I have Penyah broke media. Mess was your reading. Over like video no that no subscribe button, subscribe notification update. Now back to the word media mama. Ewo comment section mess was obaswa. No she be no first any be action. And in children brother tell say one Nigerian Igbo might be every people Ghana is no. Or chechele ahinie kingdom. And the Dean Ankasa Ede His Royal Majesty Dr. Eze Chukudu Jude Ihnetu.
Papa, Yami and Shroud, Sawababa Beta.
We don't have a procedure of doing things. Our brochure is here.
Ana himye edina komedini. Eye Eze Ohazrume the first. Say was Otumfo say to the first no. Say was na komedini. Eye Eze Ohazrume the first. Just say Ghana ha Igbo for one no. What take kingdom. E wo Ghana ha say odi omu nyina no. Ashirase. We say he will be Ohanum. I say Ghana ha de. Empanimfo do na agina to me. His excellency kura no agina to
this position. And I want to thank you for what you're doing for your people. We know the Igbos are very creative, and like you said, when it comes to culture, you tell your own story. We are absorbing a lot of Igbo words into our own language here in Ghana. So when somebody sees a big man, says,
what I said, they say, Opia Yelino as a king, His Royal Majesty, a king. I say in the video, my always said this particular gentleman can say, "What 50 acres of land? It will old go according to him, no, or the Baye Igbo village."
As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land. That is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road. That is at Old Ningo area. But along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're gonna build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is most of the times our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana. You know, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge for free of charge.
That is Igbo state in Ghana as serious. Between Emma Mature the constitutions can emphasize foreign the be ever Ghana as serious about the kingdom and him ewaha or as a constitution say there be any possible. It needs say a man walk on a man Emma Pines as a whole will be every the group ever according to the Chieftaincy Act 2008 Act 759. A cassette has say how what there. Ghana has so ultimately kingdom, but this particular gentleman, I will have the origin of him. My bro video is 29th December 2024. Now all she will be or hene.
I can't make it time. I'm going to get the cake to drag it home. I forgot to drag it home. Oh, you get it home, and I forgot to drag it home. Look what you get time. I hate you, man. I live with the coffee. The ball will ever go far.
Now we have said this particular area, and Penyah say a tool ever tour. This is a what support. Say a tool a support 8 minutes. Anna say a boy be kawa. Now free one to memu. My ya Ghana for the children mountains a be able free no. Sir, after so making a kingdom, Ghana as a series, you will need penny bo Ghana had no more. While Bowo mu ahemfo, Ghana. A bit captain called you smart. My as the captain was away Igbo for chief, Ghana.
This is supposed to be. Ghana is our boss, and this great nation
welcome the Igbos and entire Nigerians. Ghana is known to be a home that loves tradition and culture. You can't believe it, one of the great kings here in Ghana, I call him my twins and my
Empress Gifty no go find so no man yi abono chief e wo Ghana Igbo chief e wo Ghana Oho who abeche the kingdom e wo asase so. E bo wu chief. Brande. Eh. I'm saying about social that want to be a but Kwaku Manu so abeka nsem bi after this issue of Igbo king in Ghana no obeche radio e wo hono go na so kind no. Very controversial.
Na only on the cover the other tell me say go force me here. Na say go force go force. Say ahine beda ho a e aprapre. E say apre. Enti aprapre no ye de charge to me dey. E bow. Say na we when this you say odi him. Unim say say me amekeke nyina no. Open it ni be e de begin tiw. Say you go for tru nyina wo social media so confirm to me fast that way ma. Eh. Obetimi dey abam. Say then say we go for tru mo bia wo tru on the board. Obetimi sad na dey attack you. Oh say senka Africa na ye loose. Senya Africa na ye loose wa. Before Igbo hene be si dan wa ha no. Ade se bia wo ye citizen. So na citizen they are say Ghana ni bi na church dey koto asase. E de ma no. Ase wotimi si dan wa ha. But wo hene pon kese se before no mom no be wura kromi ano. Be gidi say ono e family kwan so. Okay. Enti de tie ni 1. Yemusa say we citizen of Ghana na. Ghana ba enimu na na. Na Ghana ba nim say wo fie e wo Ghana na memi no mi no na ye kasa na ebusa say sa no mo nyina say ni pipa sam ye kama. O wo kwan say wo to fie wo kromi ha. Say de wo ye Ghana ni a wo ko Europe. Unye Europe ni na wo firi wo so pese wo to fie wo Europe no. Enam say wo nya nkrata wo fa mra kwan so no wo kwan say wo to fie wo America. Wo kwan say wo to fie wo UK no. Eye say unye bibibo na ebetia area no ni kuro na. Obi anu ma memi fie ha mo say me wo efie wo America metime siesiem sa hemfie. Emfa America ban ho. Emfa America ban ho. De here say menye bibia ayi no community na me wo mu no. Menye bibi ma na hete obi. Okay, ebiem. Papa no wo ha nye ne. Oba ha ma enye ne. Ache. Na emu mefi na air trend say waba ha. Na yawo. Ma me san ka asem no si. Me hu say we are Captain Smart. Anu akobo oso bo ne hinu. Na ahene no se yete se bia wabo Captain Smart hina. Moma yenya abotre ne mu sa ahene ekura ode ama Captain Smart. Moma yenya abotre. Ni hu ade kura wode wode ma Captain Smart. Ma bia ye mfa Captain Smart hu abufu. O say won kofo bebre o mampa omunya da Captain Smart. Ba se wonya da no kura na asemba na wonya abotre. Na wo busa die ntia ebia ibofo no ball eye Captain Smart ahini hwe okwa America ye wasante for hene. Hello, I'm talking to somebody. Okwa America ye wasante for hene. UK kwego jo ye wasante for hene wo America. America nye so wo America nyina asante for hene. Wo ya asante for hene e wo you ebia Bronx wo New York.
What I say? When is Kwaku Manu Eka? And Kwaku is what kind of made to me and see me through. Very, very controversial for me to accept it. He was acceptable and see me through. Over to Acharawa, Amam, Ewa comment. I'm over to him say Captain Smart, any Empress Gifty is Yano. Or maybe a Ghana version of Kwamitua. Ghana version of Kwamitua. What's what you say? Hi, Penyah Media.